Hey guys, welcome to OvalEdge RC, a brand new channel that's going to cover oval racing. And in this series, we're going to talk about the Mudboss and how we can improve performance and get you in that A main top qualifier position. And this is something that I'm passionate about. I race in two local ovals here, one flat and one banked. And so what we are going to talk about today is rotational inertia. And I know that sounds like a lot of physics mumbo jumbo, but I'm going to try to break it down really simple for you guys. So what we got here, we got a basic kitchen scale. It's zeroed out. It's set on grams because we need a precise measurement. So what I also got here is a brand new Mudboss tire. This hasn't been raced. So we'll put it on the scale. So it's coming in around 77, 78 grams, somewhere in that range. So what I also have is, this is another Mudboss tire that I put on a tire lathe and I've cut down. And so the point of this was to reduce rotational mass, how much the wheel weighs and how much load the motor has to spin to make it go. So you look at that. So we go from 78 down to 48. We pick up 30 grams of weight just on one side. So the less weight and mass we put on the motor, the quicker it can get up to speed, which is really critical. And so, again, rotational mass. I have two pinions here, both the same amount of teeth. This is a 48 pitch, 28 tooth pinion on the right and on the left. And so this one is a steel pinion, this one's an aluminum pinion. So the steel pinion comes in right around 12 grams. Now this attaches directly to the motor. It's exactly what it has to turn to make anything go in the car. Aluminum pinion, 28 pitch. 3 grams, 2 grams. Significant weight reduction in how much the motor has to work to get your car up to speed. Now, are you going to gain top speed? Not directly. What you're going to gain is you're going to gain acceleration, you're going to get out of the corner faster, and you're going to get up to speed quicker, which is really what you want. It's going to allow your gears to work better and get your car down the straightaway before you get to that next turn. A lot of the times we're changing gears to try to get this to happen, but there's a lot of changes right on the car where we can reduce rotational mass to get the car where we want it to go. So that's going to wrap it up for this quick video, guys. But again, like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think. Brand new channel here. And we're going to cover the Mudboss in depth. This is just the first video of many. I've got a 3 or 4 of them already made. We're going to be pumping those out, and we'll see what you guys like and see what you think. These are tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. If you guys got more things that you want me to cover, drop them in the comments below, and we'll get it done. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.